Friend, welcome back to Learn Kotlin in Android Studio. In this video, we'll create a set of our chess pieces. Okay, we'll use the data type set, the collection type set instead of list to hold all our 32 chess pieces in initial deployment. Okay, so we'll create something like that. Pieces, the data type, okay, equals set of that the data type of the element is our chess piece, like that. Okay, but before we move on, we need to understand what is the set and the difference between set and the list. Let's create a test file to play with set. Kotlin set, new Kotlin class. Kotlin set, like that. So let's create a set of strings. Okay, test func test set of strings, like that. So let's do something like okay, so the collection type set doesn't allow duplicate elements, so let's show what it means. Okay, names. Okay, names. Okay, set of names equals set of string, right? So we can try to add some names into that, like dot add, no, insert, append, add. No, we cannot add. Why? Because this set of will generate an immutable. So if we want to use immutable, all right, immutable, we can do something like that. Value, like for example, two names, right? Equals set of, I think we don't need that because we can put an golden sum, and then the other one will be coder. Okay, so yeah, now let's try this first. Okay, so we can use a for loop to loop through, right, these two names and print something like that. Name, does it work? For yeah, let's try this. So we'll see two names, right, output by this for loop. is a collection type, so it support the looping through it, right? Yeah, golden sun coder. Now if we want to add another name into that, we cannot do this two names dot add, right? So to support a mutable set, we can do something like, oh, still this one we can still use that. This means we don't want to assign another set to this one. It doesn't mean the set cannot be it has nothing to do with the mutable or immutable fact of this set, right? So now we can use mutable set of like that. Now set of mutable names. This time we can add, right? Like Canada, okay, and add USA, right? Now look here, for loop, right? Country in set of mutable names. Let's print out those countries. Give a try. Oh, I think we'd better put our line break here. Line break. Now give a try. Yeah, two countries, right? Now look here, if we add another Canada, right? Set of add Canada, it will be ignored. It will be ignored. You see? Still one Canada, right? Now it's a different story if we use list of. Okay, so test a set of strings. Okay, now let's create one for testing, like to compare with list. Okay, function test list of strings, so we can compare, right? So val we still use this name. Oh no, okay, we can't, because we have to use a list of countries. List of mutable names equals mutable list of, okay, string. Okay, now list of mutable names dot add Canada. Okay, list of mutable dot add, very important. This is very important. So it will affect our decision about why we need a set to maintain our pieces in the chess game, because pieces cannot be duplicated in our chess pieces set. Now let's do for loop country in list of that, print countries, like that. Give this a try. we should be able to see to Canada, right? Like that. It's not like this. The second, right, duplicate element will be ignored automatically. That's the important feature of set. Okay, cool. That's the difference between set and the list. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next time.